Christmas greetings across the world. Wait, they make I read off a paper?
Sure.
Me just want to say Merry Christmas to my big daughter Sharon, your daughter Candy, Vanessa, Kimaya. Who again? Hey y'all, you know it's your girl, the one and only Pinky calling from New York. Yeah man, All those seminarists now look a good girl they know. Me want big up my nice clean mother, as she bring me come here. Merry Christmas to all my family in Hogpen, in Chapelton, in the Grill, and my nieces and nephews in Kingston, and everyone else. Monique, Suzette, Keila, Kylie. Hello everyone, me is sending greetings from London to all of my family. Masrai, me know say yeah chef every Christmas, so make sure say you jerk your chicken back good. Oh, I remember to watch out for the tea film where they ever see food and never put money yet. Me see you from up here, so Merry Christmas to all of you. Margaret, me not forget boy, you know. Oh gosh, man, me promise you look $20. Me soon send it. Susan want but me $50, you know. Until then, I say me sorry for Obiar and if she can, but me have to pay Obiar man before he Obiar me too.
Miss the time.
And what do you sorry? I can't wait. Me pay me money for come chat and you want come put time limit for me mouth. Yes, so guys, me know some promise on one barrel from where. So one supermarket did I give us some snacks and the bread then they are turning green, but you see at a Christmas time, so me I send them here. All the milk them, you have some milk food, you know. It might look spoiled, but it don't spoil, I just frost. When you reach the milk, just shake and slurp. Mwah! Love you!